So this is pretty cool. So they have this booth. They have this bartender with a battery. You fill this thing up with liquor on one side, you mix on the other side, you dial it in how strong you want it, you shoot it out into a cup. Not a big drinker. It's cool as hell. And as you can see, everybody seems to love it.
All right. Come on in. How's it going, brother? Good to meet you again. Good to see you.
You guys never seen me as a bartender, and I haven't either, so let's do this.
It's not smart putting me behind here either, but this is what we've got. That one there was pina colada. Delicious. What we're going to do here is make a vodka and lemonade. What we've got, Stanley grade thermos. Keeps it hot and cold. We've got a container here that keeps the alcohol separated from your mixer, so until we'll get to the magic. So quite simply, we just pour lemonade in one side, and the other side is our vodka. Now understand this will keep it cold. As cold as you put it in, it'll keep it that cold for 24 hours. This thing here's got two pumps in it that draw simultaneously from each side. Depending on how much you want is on this side. So that's what we've just done there, guys. We've made a vodka lemonade. Let's try it. Yeah.
All right, shoot me up.
Have a crack at that, sir. So this little gadget here will change the strength. That one we just had on the 3 that you'll get at the pub most days. That's 1-to-1. We can go straight shots. It's not quite that time of day yet. We'll get to there. They're not quite yet. So it holds 17 ounces of alcohol on one side, 30 ounces of mixer on the other. Keeps it cold all day. It'll do wine. It'll hold 1/5 of alcohol on your larger side.
Right.
So then you can just fill your the inner part with this bit here. You can just fill it with water, whack it in the freezer, put it in here, and you'll keep your bourbon cold all day as well. Keep your white wine cold. Aerates red wine instantaneously. No need to wait for 40 minutes. Who wants to make for that fucking long, people? All right.
All right.
It's
This thing is awesome, man.
it floats. It's waterproof. It'll do 700 8-ounce pours before she goes flat, and you just watch it. A simple prick like me can build it in 2 minutes.
This thing's awesome. So let me show you something. This thing's in 2 different compartments. So your fruit is not going to contaminate your liquor. So this liquor is still going to be good for time down, just like you have it left in the bottle.
Yeah, if you don't get through the whole thing, it doesn't happen too often,
Yeah.
but you can just pour it straight back in here when we're finished,
yeah.
mate.
Cool this thing off. It'll be cold, good.
Be careful. Make sure you line these holes up, brother.
All right. Show me how you work. All right.
So you got these 2 holes here and these 2 holes here.
See, I'm learning.
And that way she screws in nice and tight. It'll keep red wine for 4 days in here. If you're that way inclined, I guess, but that's on you, not me.
This is great. So this is okay. What do we call this?
The
We call
Pnumix.
this Pnumix.
Yep.
And where would folks get this?
We got it online. We can go on pnumix.com. On the line, we have recipes. We have a calculator. So if you've got your favourite cocktail, you put it in here. It'll whack your information into the calculator, and it'll tell you exactly how to put it in here, so you can make your favourite cocktails. This is only limited to your imagination, people.
Oh, that is so awesome. Thanks, man. Hey,
Thanks,
I
brother.
know you guys got some. You got some other things too. You got like some nuts coming
so
out to keep people from.
This is our. Well, we're raising money for this. This is what we're calling the new cup. So it's biometric. So it's a thumbprint or fingerprint. Opens it up. You drink. Take your finger off. She closes. On the lid here, we'll have something that'll detect the 5 main roofie drugs.
Right.
So and as soon as it detects a drug, it'll lock, and so it'll keep everyone safe.
Right.
We are working on something on the inside, so if it happens to be the barmaid that drugs you, it'll lock instantaneously. And yeah, it's our safety prevention act, you know, and we only hand these out like fruitcake when we get them out.
Hey, it's awesome sauce. Now check out these guys at Pnumix. This is going to be a great product. This has been hands down the item of the show.
It's going off,
you guys
people.
Check them out.